let's go to, I need to take care of these and I will get breakfast. Watching videos. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. You too? Let's get something. Now, my little girl. And here I have, this is a panettone candies that my friend made for me, chocolates, cookies left that I made, I just got that, and lots of bread from Costco, so I will eat the panettone from here. Yeah, since I want to be doing more dirty dishes. And I will put a little off. Okay, now it's good. My creamer for my coffee. Let's have a nice sweet breakfast. This variety, this goes in. We tip it away. We will catch up with Twilight, so that I'm 2 chapters behind from what's supposed to be. So let's go. Forward.
There is a fifth dimension, beyond that which is known to man. It is a dimension.
Made a mess here, so I better clean. I need to clean the toilet and clean this, so let's do it now. Everything clean here. Time to move and do maybe bedtime. Yes. How are we doing? I need to clean one of the windows and I decided to go for this one since is the one that I think I less clean. You can see I have also some of the leaves and stuff that fall from my plants. So, and I will use my new machine. I think I have a new toy and I am enjoying so much. So let's try my new machine now. I get my blinds and my windows clean on this side of the room. I have only one window to do. I will do the spider webs now, and I have a clean new brush for my sweeper, and I will take care of spider webs that can be on the rooms. That's the next part for my day. Try to go, this is my dresser, to go really in every little cubby that cannot have spider webs. And doing this one time every week, it's like really helps to keep your house out of spider webs. You can see it's not really anything there, but they are sneaky and sometimes they come back. And see, I found one there. I don't know. Oh, I missed that one. But we go for every little corner. That is where most of them go. And the little sneaky parts here. This room I don't have light, so it's perfect for them to see one web. Spider web there. Perfect for them to try to get every corner there. Okay, another room. Before I go to another room, I have all these because it was changing really fast and everything, so let me put this away. Okay. And the little corner is clear, and also I made sure to have everything ready for tomorrow for my work. Pick up some of the garbage. I will put this away. And cleaning this doesn't mean that I just move to another place. I just put things away. It's my decluttering day, and I don't want to have to move something, put another place, and I'm still creating more clutter. So that's how it's going. It looks messy here. Sorry, that is all my stuff. It's not cleaning on this. I have to put all my nail polish now away. I think I will be done on this part of here. This is usually what I have to wear. Okay, necklace and everything, so let's put this away. Morning. As you can see, I didn't finish all yesterday, and I have to work